Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some of the updates that I've made to my retail store business plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll run through some of the updates that I made to the template, share with you some of the modifications, and once we're done with that, we'll wrap it up and call it a day. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into this retail store business plan template updates. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I did to the retail store business plan template is I added a section for a company logo. So as we all know, more and more companies are using company logos, and so I wanted to go ahead and make a space for it to further be allow y'all to customize your business plan using my template. So the way the cover page now looks is right at the top it says retail store. Right here you can go ahead and just type in your business name. Right here is the placeholder for your logo. You can either delete this logo right here, you can use it, or you can replace it with your company logo. And then underneath this, it just says business plan, which just lets the reader know what document it is. But this change right here, it allows for additional customization to the cover page, and it makes it a little bit more presentable, or allows you to make it a little bit more presentable for your retail store. The second update that I added to the retail store business plan template is instead of just listing various products sold by a retail store and then allowing y'all just to delete what you don't sell and then write in your own paragraph for your retail store, what I did is I used artificial intelligence and I asked it to just go ahead and generate some kind of generate a paragraph for a general retail store. And so this is the result, and I kind of liked it because it's a great structure, and you just go through and you just replace some of the words that are really not aligned with your retail store, whether it be fashion or gourmet foods. You can remove it and then add into it whatever products that you do sell at your retail store. So it's nice, it's general, and it allows for a lot of customization. So I'm really pleased with the result from the AI product that I received. And the final update that I made to the retail store business plan template for 2024 is I updated the industry research. As we all know, having up-to-date industry research is an absolute critical component of any business plan. So what I did is I do have a subscription to IBIS World. I went to IBIS World, obtained their latest report for retail store industry, and then I updated my template with various statistics, for example, the revenues, historical growth rates, and so on. And so now the retail store business plan template has the most current research for 2024. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.